teaching you how to make another of your own video on Google Flow. So let's click on Creative Flow. While Flow is loading, you can go to ChatGPT and don't just ignore this. Just ignore all of that. Basically, you have to choose an account, and I just picked my own, obviously. Now, I've already did some. This was the one I did in my last video. So let's create another one. I don't really like this bird, but I guess. So it's still loading. I like it when I'm using Flow. Now go to ChatGPT and obviously tell her to create a prompt. Yeah, you always know what I'm gonna type. Create a prompt on things like, but this time I'm gonna create a prompt on an octopus family, not on a people. So you can create your own there, and you can just snap it and send it to me, or you can just tell me what you did. Yeah, basically, I don't really know how to spell octopus. I'm just gonna have this, and Y. So basically, you just need to wait for all of this to work. It's a creative prompt you can use to create certain images. Okay. Gotta live in octopus. Live in a good cosmic. Bruh. I want it anime style. Finally. Yeah, this is very long, but we just need to highlight everything. Click on Ctrl C, then go to Flow, then just change this to image, then go back, then click on Ctrl V, then just change it to be 3x. That's what I want to use. You can make it as long as you want to, but me, I'm using 3, or maybe I should use 4. Yeah, I'm using 4. I have 4 to know which one I should choose. Well, if you're using for generating videos, 0 credits, but if it's for video, to use 20 credit. Just ignore that. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load. It's at 45, 47, 50, 52, 55, 57, 60, 62, 65, 67, 70, 72, 75. So it stopped at 75, but the rest stopped at a different one. I love all of these pictures. I don't know which one I should choose. Basically, I just click on start. I can use this one. I really like this one. Maybe this one now. Maybe not. Maybe not. Start. So you see this one. I also like this one though, but I also like this one and this one, but the one I like, maybe this one and this one. Yeah, I'm choosing this one. Now, let's go to ChatGPT. Now, let's tell ChatGPT to make them to basically be doing lots of things, like going on land, getting some food, and coming back into the ocean, or maybe just to see. Maybe not. Oh, yeah, I'm just looking at that thing. Now make them to go on land to get some food. So after that, they are gonna get some food. They're gonna be going back to the water. nearly almost done with this sentence. I'm almost done. Yeah, I think I'm done. Now, I don't know if it's gonna be anime style or not. My favorite anime style story scene of a cute octopus family of an adventure that loving mother octopus and her chippy babies octopus gather nearby each other. Their big sparkling eyes full of excitement when determined. They carefully go and crawl onto the sandy beach with their soft tentacles stretching and moving. Funny, adorable. But yeah, the babies. Yeah, I'm not reading all of that. I'm not reading any of those. I'm only reading some. Yeah, funny problem happening on land. I guess I'm just gonna I'm gonna highlight in the options. Yeah, no. Now, as I see, you can just click on Ctrl C, then go and click on Ctrl V, then let's not make the video 4x, not just make it 1x. Yeah, just one video. Nah, I think it's gonna be perfect. Then whether you use 20 credit, but if it's 4, it's use 80 credit. If it's 3, it's use 60 credit. If it's 2, it's use 40 credit. I'm just gonna stick it to 1 because it's gonna just minus 20 credits from my own accounts. So let's wait for it to generate. And as I said in my last video, generating would take way more longer than pictures. So we just have to wait. It's a long time, so just waiting for this to load. Let's gonna be just waiting. Yeah, just waiting for everything to load. So 16% now, 17. Well, this videos only take, it just only plus 1 second, but some of the pictures plus 9, 7, 5, or maybe 3. What is that? 26%, 27%. When will this video just finish generating? I'm getting very bored of this generating. Finally. Now basically, not really gonna have some. That now just disconnect it and play. I love how it turned out. I really love it. I love how it turned out. I love it. So let's basically just go to the ChatGPT and hook her up. Just go here, yeah, click it here. I think I don't really let it be click. Well, what this option is not letting me to click on it. I don't know why. But I don't think I can really fix this one to happen. Yeah, just now make them yeah. You can see I'm just making ChatGPT to tell them to make them to go to school the next day. Yeah. Basically, I'm just waiting for this thing to work. Next, well, I'm just almost done. Bye. Wait, I'm just gonna wait for it. I'm thinking 7 or 6. Yeah, I'm choosing 5. Then yeah, I'm just gonna click on shift and 00 AM. I think it's gonna be AM. Yeah, listen. Now go and upload. Click this button to upload. Waiting, but you have your own limited messages as I've said in the last one. Well, it's Saturday morning and I'm tired of what I said. Yeah, I'm not reading all of that. I'm not reading any of all that. I'm not reading anything. But we should not highlight this prompt said here. We should only highlight it from the beginning and the second line. Control C, then go here and click on. Now Control V. Yeah, I'm just doing it for you guys, even though I'll just be wasting my credits. Well, while I'm waiting for it to generate, I'm just gonna be staying here bored. Yeah, you hear me right? I'm gonna stay here bored. I'm just waiting. The first video only took 29 seconds, I think. I don't know. But this one's already at 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 42, 43, 44, 46, 47, 49, 50, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 58, 59, 60. Well, it just jumped in some numbers. Now that is officially done, let's play it. See how it goes. Wow, I love exactly how it turned out. It's very beautiful, and I love how it turned. This is the last one I'm doing before I end the video. So now, just wait for it to get to the next place. Now make then actually let me just make let me just use here her children to get actually just F virus dear test and come home crying and the mom punishes them. And dear Bob punishes dead. Now wait for this to finish. on top. I'm not reading all of that. I'm not even reading any. I'm just gonna skip on highlight. I'm gonna highlight this. Then click on Ctrl C to copy, then go to flow. Click on Ctrl V, then just set it. So just wait for this to load. 20 man. I mean, how much I got, I don't really know. How many credits I have now, I don't know. How many credits I had at the beginning of the video, I still don't know. I don't even know how to check how much credit I have, so I'm just waiting for this thing to finish loading. That's 20 so far. 22, 24, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49, 50, 52, 53, and it's done. Now just disconnect this app. Wait for it to do. Wait for it to finish. Wow, I love how it turned out to go. It turned out funny and at the same time very, very happy. Yeah, I really like this. If you want to see more of my videos, like, subscribe, go to the link of my channel and subscribe to my brother's channel too, and like, view all my videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.